come around, people even fear even to ask them. And they have big animals and they come with big hats.
Uproar over Balaalo land grabs as Gulu High Court issues injunction. Twaha rejects ruling. Odonga raises alarm. The ongoing Balaalo land conflict in northern Uganda has taken a dramatic new turn after Gulu High Court issued an injunction aimed at protecting Acholi customer landowners from continued land grabbing by non-indigenous herdsmen and powerful individuals. In a post on X, formerly Twitter, activist Monica Ruamasaka revealed that the injunction specifically targets non-land grabbers, including Mr. Twaha, a Rwandese national accused of illegally acquiring thousands of hectares across Acholi and Banyoro regions. However, in a bold and defiant statement, Twaha reportedly dismissed the court order as useless and threatened to punish the judicial officer who issued it, a move critics say reflects impunity and growing disregard for rule of law in the region. There has been bloodshed in Banyoro. Call for investigation into Brigadier Nabasa. Ramasaka also called for urgent investigation into Brigadier Peter Nabasa and his alleged role in the Kapapi massacre, where numerous Banyoro residents were reportedly tortured, raped, and unlawfully detained during violent evictions. She accused Nabasa of using UPDF soldiers, state weapons, and public funds to carry out the brutal operation. The people of Banyoro are tired of being tortured, arrested, and raped. She wrote, 1,300 hectares grabbed in Noya. Otto speaks out in a separate development. Honorable Odonga disclosed details of a major land grab incident in Namokino village, Noya district, where Twaha, allegedly backed by the resident district commissioner, Christopher Mara, the police, and other security agencies, forcefully took control of 1,300 hectares of land. Otto revealed that when a UPDF officer attempted to intervene and evict Twaha, he was ordered to stand down by the RDC, further demonstrating state collusion in the illegal land acquisitions. There has been police harassment. Police harassment has been allegedly reported by Otto. Dr. Odonga also posted that he is currently being harassed by security agents after a police officer allegedly called him with a summons but failed to deliver any official document. Instead, they have opted to waylay me. I wish them well, Otto said in his post, adding to growing concerns about political targeting of outspoken voices in land justice campaigns. Now let me take you through the background for those who might not know. The Balaalo land crisis has been a growing source of tension across northern and western Uganda, particularly in Acholi and Banyoro sub-regions. The Balaalo, largely non-indigenous cattle keepers, have been accused of encroaching on customer land, and yesterday they were expelled from West Nile, the video of the start, somewhere from Congo, often with the backing of powerful political and military actors. Despite public outcry and several directives from President Museveni himself, enforcement remains weak and many illegal occupants have continued expanding their presence. Civil society leaders and local politicians are now calling for a parliamentary inquiry into the Balaalo occupation, increased judicial protection of customer land, and criminal accountability for those using state machinery to intimidate or displace rural communities. Thank you.